it's Tara here, your hair care specialist. Today, we will show you some great tape options to keep your system in place for a month. Vapon Topstick Blue. The Vapon Topstick Blue strips are clear, double-sided tapes with a C shape. They work well with poly and lace hair systems, but are popular among many lace front users. This incredibly tacky extended wear tape can last 3 to 5 weeks. They are long-lasting, hypoallergenic, and waterproof for a comfortable usage. Supertape Rolls and strips. This skin-safe medical tape is one of the strongest extended wear bonding tapes available worldwide with 3 to 4 week hold. This clear, odorless, waterproof Supertape adhesive does not melt down, leaving less residue, allowing for easy cleanup. It provides a no-shine strong hold on tape tap areas of mono, poly, and lace-based systems, and is also great for securing hair extensions. Ultra Hold, rolls, and strips. Ultra Hold is the most popular wig tape used by hair replacement stylists and users. This super tacky, transparent, flexible, and long-lasting tape can provide superior hold for 3 to 6 weeks, depending on the temperature, humidity, and body oils. Its fingerprint textured pattern helps reduce shine, making it great for lace and poly-based materials. Walker Tape Extenda-Bond is one of the strongest and most widely used tapes courtesy of its strong hold lasting 3 to 4 weeks. Its clear, thin, invisible glue in tape form ensures maximum security for a seamless look. Made of breathable materials with holes on the surface, this semi-dull hypoallergenic tape is ideal for use on sensitive skin and is suitable for all hair and extension systems. It can break down to gooey consistency, so it's recommended for professional use only. Stick It, strips only. The Sunshine Stick is a low-shine, light, thin, medical-grade toupee and wig tape lasting 4+ weeks while defying breakdowns with ease. It's incredibly lightweight and comfortable on the scalp. Though it has a high tack, this sweat-proof adhesive peels off easily, making it great for lace and poly system. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more informative videos like this one. Thank you for choosing Super Hairpieces. Bye!